Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Sorry it's been a while since we did a video, but unfortunately I've been plagued with pneumonia for about 4 weeks. So anyway, we're back up and at it again now. And today, look at this fantastic 2006 Jaguar X350 XJ8 4.2 Sovereign. And this car is extremely rare and extremely special. It's a standard wheelbase car, but this car is a one owner from new, done 10,000 miles from new, and it's in ultimate black with ivory piped leather. It's got an XJR grille on it. It's got a private plate DAR 67T, which just takes the age off the car. That goes with the car. We'll tell you what we've done in a second to this car, but I just want to take you around it so you can see how absolutely mint this car is from top to bottom. The car is running. You probably won't be able to hear it until I lift the bonnet. Just want to show you around all the paintwork first. Look at that, the boot lid, absolutely flat as a pancake. No dents, no ripples, no scratches, no sort of imperfections in it. Rear lights, perfect. All the chrome, bumper corners, perfect. It's got a full Jaguar mud flap kit on it. And black really suits these X350s. They look absolutely brilliant, especially with these wheels. No corrosion on the bottoms of the doors, no corrosion on the arches, no corrosion on the wings, no corrosion on the roof or the bonnet or the boot lid. This is absolutely as mint and as perfect as you're ever gonna get now. It's like having a brand new one of these. Right, we'll just go through what we've done at it while I remember. We've put 4 brand new Marshall tyres on it. We've had all 4 wheels refurbished just to give them that edge, because the car deserves it, because everything else about it is pristine. We've fully engine serviced it, air filter, pollen filter, fuel filter, oil and filter, put all the proper Castrol oils in it that Jaguar recommend. Put a set of new wiper blades on it. We've gone through all the brakes, stripped and cleaned them. They're all absolutely perfect. And we've also machine polished the car, ceramic coated it for the next owner, and we've detailed and cleaned all the inside. It's got front and rear parking sensors, remote central locking. It's got CD auto changer, it's got navigation. You can see in there, CD stacker, navigation. It's also got spare wheel, brand new battery. That was only fitted in December. And it's absolutely clean as a whistle in there. No corrosion on the back of the boot lid. All the carpets are perfect. No staining. Soft close boot lid. LED rear lights. It's got xenon front headlights. And let's have a look inside. Look at that. Absolutely unblemished veneers and door cards and leather trim throughout. And if you ever wanted to know or wondered what these cars smelt like, when they were brand new, with all the leather and everything in them, then this is the car to smell. If we could bottle it, we would. We'd make a fortune. This car smells like brand spanking new. You've got your proper full leather armrest, cup holders, you've got all your piped leather, absolutely gorgeous, the softest leather you've ever felt. All the sill steps and the kick guards, no marks on them at all in the door jambs, absolutely perfect. I'm sorry about the background noise, but we've got other people working around us, I'm afraid, today. Again, door cards perfect, Alpine premium music system in. It's got air conditioning, climate control. Aircon today is absolutely perfect. Exterior temperature's 20 degrees. It was higher than that earlier. It's got auto dimming rear view mirror, heated front and rear seats. It's got Bluetooth telephone. It's obviously automatic. You've got your glove box there. You've got 2 key fobs and a full history pack. Full service history, like I say, 1 owner from new. It's got the full Jaguar original carpet mat set. We've shampooed all those. It's got electric front seats. It's got electric adjustable steering column. It's got CD stacker in the boot and a separate CD in the front. It's got radio, obviously. Electronic handbrake. It's got cruise control. You've got heated front screen, heated rear screen. You've got a wood leather steering wheel, and look at the veneer on the dashboard, absolutely beautiful. In fact, it's one of the it's all real veneers on Jaguars. It's actually one of the nicest veneers, a veneer set that I think I've seen for a long time on a Jaguar. It just goes so well, it just flows right across the car. As you can see, driver's door card perfect, all the handle perfect. There you go, look, no damage to the driver's seat. Fly in the car. Driver's seat perfect. It's all been cleaned, all been shampooed. It's got auto lights, auto wipers, front and rear fog lights. But look at that, that's sat there. What's it doing? It's 10,635 miles from new. Absolutely perfect, this car. Inside and out. Let's just go around to the passenger side and open the bonnet. It's also got memory seats. It's also got folding door mirrors, electric mirrors, 4 electric windows. Let's just go around to the passenger side, do the bonnet release rather. There's no chips or damage to the front screen. It's just a proper high, look at that kick step there, passenger side, like a mirror, never even been kicked or damaged by people getting in and out. And there you go, there's the engine bay, all cleaned, all detailed, all the levels checked, all the fluids changed, full service it's had, and it's just gone through its MOT as well for 12 months, no advisories as you would expect. No chips on the bonnet. No damage to the front bumper, no damaged light lenses, no cloudy or discoloured light lenses like you'd have on a car that had done maybe a few more miles. It's like a brand new car, and it's just unbelievable. It's probably, I'll stick my neck out, it's probably the lowest one in the country, in the UK, that I've ever seen. And it's like driving a brand new car. The air suspension's perfect. The underneath of the car, obviously, it's a fully aluminium car. Your front and rear subframes are steel. They're all perfect. It's just, you know, this car's going to last, if it's looked after, years and years and years, and give you trouble-free motoring. But you can hear this, can't you? Just runs absolutely perfect. But like I say, it's all serviced, it's all MOT'd. New tyres, brand new tyres, never hardly turned a wheel. All the wheels refurbished, all fully balanced, fully the wheel alignment done on it, and it's all clean. Like I say, don't be long if you're interested in this car. This car will sell instantly. It's forced to do just because of the mileage. The price of the car is 21,000 £995. And where you're going to get a car of that quality, of that condition, a 2-year-old car doesn't look like that. And where you're going to get a car that looks like a classic Jaguar always did, in the right colour, the right spec, the right engine, with that mileage and that ownership, one owner from new, with a private plate thrown in just to take the age off it. Anyway folks, there it is. The telephone number to call is 07759 938 395. Be quick. Thanks for watching.